Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,500, Rawlings, Maryland. The 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the classic Ironhead era, offering the unmistakable sound and character that have made these motorcycles favorites among vintage Harley enthusiasts. Well-priced Sportsters from the 1970s continue to attract riders looking for an authentic American V-twin with plenty of classic appeal. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs great and has received numerous new parts to help keep it on the road. It is offered at an affordable price, with additional details available upon request, making it an interesting opportunity for anyone seeking a vintage Harley-Davidson. Number 2. 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120V, $3,500, Sylvania, Ohio. The 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120V remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, admired for its responsive parallel twin engine and timeless styling. Original Bonnevilles from this era are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially examples that have avoided extensive modifications over the years. The seller describes this motorcycle as highly original, even retaining its period tires, and notes that it was preserved from being converted into a chopper. Although it last ran about 2 years ago, it comes with a clean title and offers an excellent foundation for restoration or careful recommissioning. Number 3. 1974 Honda CB350F, $1,800, Lebanon, Pennsylvania. The 1974 Honda CB350F is a distinctive small-displacement four-cylinder motorcycle that helped showcase Honda's engineering leadership during the 1970s. Its compact inline-4 engine and smooth performance continue to make it a favorite among collectors of classic Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, the engine turns over and the motorcycle retains attractive original paint despite needing restoration. It is missing the title and key, while the fuel tank and exhaust system will require attention. Even so, it presents an affordable project for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Honda 4s. Number 4. 1975 BMW R90.6, $4,200, Midland, Michigan. The 1975 BMW R90.6 is one of BMW's most respected air-cooled touring motorcycles, combining smooth boxer twin performance with dependable long-distance comfort. These classic German motorcycles remain highly desirable thanks to their durability, timeless styling, and enjoyable riding experience. The seller states that this example is mechanically sorted while retaining its original patina and attractive black finish with the larger touring fuel tank. Side panels are included, and the motorcycle comes with a clean title. Described as ready to ride, it offers excellent value for vintage BMW enthusiasts. Number 5. 1974 Kawasaki G4 TR, $2,000, Salem, Virginia. The 1974 Kawasaki G4 TR is a lightweight two-stroke classic that reflects Kawasaki's growing reputation for fun and reliable small-displacement motorcycles during the 1970s. Original examples have become increasingly uncommon, making well-preserved survivors especially appealing to collectors. According to the seller, this motorcycle remains remarkably original while running very well. It has received a fresh battery and replacement headlight, with the original sealed beam unit also included. A clean title accompanies the sale, making this Kawasaki an attractive vintage motorcycle at an affordable price. Number 6, 1953 Harley-Davidson K model, $7,300, Bristol, Pennsylvania. The 1953 Harley-Davidson K model is one of the most historically significant motorcycles in Harley-Davidson history, serving as the foundation for the legendary Sportster that followed a few years later. Genuine K models are rarely seen on the market, making them highly desirable among collectors of early American motorcycles. According to the seller, this example features updated wiring while retaining its original 6-volt electrical system. Although it is not presented as a show bike and includes a few replacement components, it comes with a title and is described as a unique antique motorcycle with plenty of vintage character. Number 7, 1974 Yamaha RD60, $2,100, Westminster, Maryland. The 1974 Yamaha RD60 is a charming small-displacement two-stroke that reflects Yamaha's reputation for building lightweight and enjoyable motorcycles during the 1970s. Original examples have become increasingly difficult to find, making well-preserved survivors appealing to collectors of vintage Japanese bikes. The seller describes this RD60 as a nice original motorcycle that runs well, with a clean fuel tank and chrome that remains in good condition. A cracked right handlebar control is noted, and the bike is being offered without a title, making it an interesting project or collectible for the right buyer. Number 8, 1972 Triumph Trophy TR6C, $2,800, Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. The 1972 Triumph Trophy TR6C, often referred to as the Desert Sled, is a classic British dual-purpose motorcycle known for its rugged simplicity and dependable 650cc parallel twin engine. Original owner examples are becoming increasingly uncommon and remain popular among enthusiasts of vintage Triumph motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle has fewer than 7,000 miles and still includes its original title. After an extended period in storage, it kicks over easily, and the inside of the fuel tank appears clean. It will need a battery and new tires before returning to regular riding. Number 9, 1981 Yamaha SR500, $2,950. Burnside, Kentucky. The 1981 Yamaha SR500 has earned a loyal following thanks to its lightweight chassis, reliable single-cylinder engine, and classic kickstart-only design. Inspired by traditional British singles, the SR500 remains one of Yamaha's most respected vintage motorcycles for riders who appreciate simplicity and timeless styling. The seller states that this low-mileage example has always been stored indoors and remains close to showroom condition. Aside from a dealer-installed SuperTrap exhaust and K&N air filter, it is largely original and includes the factory airbox, mirrors, and additional parts, making it a very attractive survivor. Number 10, 1971 Triumph Tiger 650, $3,900, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph Tiger 650 is a classic British twin that combines straightforward performance with the timeless styling that made Triumph famous around the world. Matching numbers examples continue to attract enthusiasts looking for an authentic vintage motorcycle with lasting collector appeal. According to the seller, this Tiger is in very nice condition and benefits from electronic ignition along with new tires and tubes. It reportedly runs well, everything functions as expected, and it comes with a good title, making it an appealing choice for riders seeking a ready-to-enjoy British classic. Number 11,
1974 Kawasaki KZ400, $3,200, Wappingers Falls, New York. The 1974 Kawasaki KZ400 is a lightweight twin-cylinder classic that helped establish Kawasaki as a strong competitor in the growing mid-size motorcycle market of the 1970s. Known for its dependable engine and straightforward design, the KZ400 remains a popular choice among enthusiasts seeking an affordable vintage Japanese. According to the seller, this all-original example has just 8,694 miles and runs well. Described as being in great condition for its age, it offers an appealing opportunity for collectors and riders looking for a well-preserved classic with authentic character.
Number 12. 1972 BMW R75/5, $4,200, Pottstown, Pennsylvania. The 1972 BMW R75/5 is one of BMW's most iconic air-cooled boxer twins, admired for its smooth performance, reliability, and timeless styling. Early /5 models continue to attract vintage motorcycle enthusiasts thanks to their comfortable riding experience and strong reputation for long-distance durability. The seller states that this third-owner motorcycle has been well-maintained and remains in excellent original condition with several tasteful upgrades, including improved suspension and stainless steel components. Complete with the owner's manual, tools, a recent battery, and a clean-running engine, it appears ready for many more enjoyable miles. Number 13. 1971 Yamaha XS650, $5,500, Blackwood, New Jersey. The 1971 Yamaha XS650 is one of the most celebrated Japanese parallel twins ever produced, combining classic British-inspired styling with Yamaha's dependable engineering. Early XS650 models remain highly sought after by collectors and riders, thanks to their versatility and enduring popularity. According to the seller, this restored example starts easily, runs great, and has always been stored indoors. It has been professionally repainted, features clean mechanicals, and comes with a clean title, making it an attractive choice for anyone looking for a well-presented vintage Yamaha. Number 14. 1960 Pannonia 250 with Duna sidecar, $15,000, Burnville, Pennsylvania. The 1960 Pannonia 250 is a rare Hungarian-built motorcycle that offers a fascinating glimpse into post-war European motorcycling. Paired with its matching Duna sidecar, this uncommon combination stands out as a unique collectible that is seldom found on today's vintage motorcycle market. The seller reports that this restored example runs, rides, and stops well while retaining its distinctive period appearance. Accompanied by a title, the motorcycle and sidecar combination presents an exceptional opportunity for collectors seeking something truly uncommon. Number 15. 1977 Yamaha XS650 Special, $750, Holland, Massachusetts. The 1977 Yamaha XS650 Special remains a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts, thanks to its reliable parallel-twin engine, distinctive styling, and strong aftermarket support. Affordable examples like this continue to appeal to riders looking for a classic project with plenty of potential.
According to the seller, the motorcycle runs well with only 13,860 miles and has already received ultrasonic carburetor cleaning, rebuilt carburetor components, and a new AGM battery. It still requires a few finishing items before returning to regular road use, making it an inexpensive and promising restoration candidate.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoyed these classic motorcycle finds, please like, subscribe, and come back for more vintage motorcycles for sale from across America.